The Yankees are still up 10-5. Angels just changed their pitcher, and it's 2 outs in the 8th with my man Gio Urshela up. Okay, here we go. This was in that bag that I was debating whether I should even show it to you, but because who cares whether I bought Twizzlers or not. But at the one Walmart, they had thousands of these boxes. I couldn't find a strawberry. They had those goofy rope strawberry ones. I didn't want them. And then the next one I was walking by, and I just stopped and I jumped over and I grabbed. And there it was. This was in the one that's way, way northeast of Monticello. It was a place where I got a whole bunch of stuff in the clearance aisle. I don't think I showed you that yet, but anyways. There. Jackass. All right, here we go. Let's get rid of this stuff. Oh, I didn't show it to you because it's still in bags in my car. Here's more of those goofy things I got. I don't know where oh, this is the other bag for Pittston. Series 2. Series 2. Series 2. Series 2. And Series 2. That's funny. I regret it because what the scums did down in Barnes and Nobles, letting these pigs come in there and just take everything on everybody. Scumbags. Scumbag brings two sons, a daughter, a niece, a nephew, an uncle, his wife, his cousin, and his grandfather. Oh, I'm first in line. I get 12 of everything. They let him do it. I have no respect for Barnes and Nobles after that. I walked in, I saw that crap going on, I was like, fuck this shit. I walked right out. Mandalorian. Darth Vader. Mandalorian. I know it's the baby Yoda, but they call him the Mandalorian. Oh. Ooh, then who is this? I guess it's the Mandalorian. I guess maybe the Yoda turned into the Mandalorian. I don't know. They had such gay, woke crap bullshit that I didn't go see it. I heard it was ridiculous. Sad thing is, Star Wars is such a cool franchise. Why would you let scumbags ruin it with gay shit like that? Mandalorian. Darth Vader. Darth Vader was going to come down from the planet Vulcan and melt my brain. It's okay, Daddy-O. So let's keep the brain melting stuff to ourselves. I think I quote Back to the Future more than any other movie around here. Wow. I was going to say this is from Wilkes-Barre. This is a while ago. That's when I had nothing and I grabbed 2 Pokemon packs. This is the only thing that was there. My man, I love Urshela. I just love him. Urshela, 3 for 4, baby. Alright, I don't remember where this is from. I saw that. Oh, I know where this is from. The Big M. It said Sun and Moon GX Challenge Box. I was like, oh my god. They actually had another. I could have got another one, but instead of getting 2 of those, I got an Eevee, these tins, the V tins, the V power tins. But yeah, so how much was that? Well, the Eevee tin was only $14.98. Oh, $14.89. Weird. But this thing was $24.98. That's actually cheaper than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be like 30, 40 bucks. Yeah, the only one that really seems to charge a lot of stuff, a lot of that, what's it called? Well, Magic the Gathering has some really expensive stuff, but those Elite Trainer boxes, when you get into those special ones with the Zinnesin and Xanarazand, those things are like really expensive. Let's see here. I know I feel like doing a thing called Pokemon. Alright. This must be Taylor. Or Tunkhannock, one or the other. No, Taylor. Go to Taylor to see if they have anything. So I always get the hockey pack. And this one was a blister. I don't know. Oh, this is the Chilling Rain, right? Yep. Fanpea. But anyways, I always do that at Taylor. I just that I got something. And that's good stuff. Good enough anyway, so not a big deal. Nothing in there. I think I just grabbed a whole bunch of small ones and put them all in the same bag. Oh, this is the one. Went out to the Big H and they had nothing there. Nothing. So I was like, screw it. I grabbed this one and then these ones, the special ones, the purple ones. Holy Jesus, the purple ones were $12.98. Another one was $6.49 or something. $6.48. Cost me $33. Over $33. Wow, my total was $33.33. I messed up with that. But anyway, so yeah, I was like, oh my God. You gotta be kidding me how much that was. I couldn't believe it.
It's funny you say that, Cody,
Okay, here's that place, that one that's way northeast of Monticello. 75 cents. 75 cents. 75 cents. These are little gift boxes. Metal one is $1.25. $1.50. Treat bags, $1.25. And then this one was 75 cents. It was all smashed. But I looked at it, I said, I don't remember what they call this stuff, like ribbons maybe? The little ribbon stuff for crafts, arts and crafts. For 75 cents. So I was like, fuck it, I'll grab it. What's this place called? Mahakanand or something? Looks like it says Wilkes-Barre, but it's definitely not Wilkes-Barre. This one is called I forget what it's called. Nanakong, Hotmakong. I can't remember. How about these though? 75 cents. That's good. I mean, whenever I see stuff like that, I gotta grab it. I'm not gonna go through all these. My buddy said to grab them. One of those, he calls them gravity and levitation cases. Got 8 of those. There. Yeah, okay. Here, Michael K. No clue. Has no idea what he's talking about. And he's an idiot. When he doesn't like what you say, he gets all mad. Check out this one. This one's pretty cool. 8 also, but instead of a hanging gravity case. This one is, I don't even know what, but it's pretty cool. 8 more. And my buddy said, go back in there and get the rest of them. So I did. The only thing that sucks is these things are like ridiculous to try to put them in the bag. What are you gonna do? Hit your third homer, Otani? I know there was like 3 stragglers. Darth Vader, Yoda, and First Order Stormtrooper. Because you hardly see those Stormtroopers. I found a C-3PO and an R2-D2. I was like, wow. Finally got them. Couldn't find them anywhere. All I see is Luke Skywalker. That's all I ever see is Luke Skywalker. And there's like a Luke Skywalker in a blue and a Luke Skywalker in a white. I don't know why. 3 more. Oh. No. That's another one of those things. Mandalorian, Stormtrooper, Darth Vader, Mandalorian, Yoda, Darth Vader, Stormtrooper. That's what I'm saying. You can't find those damn C-3POs and those R2-D2s. You just can't find them. All right, here's 2 packs from somewhere. I don't remember. Somewhere they didn't have anything. So the only thing that they had, so I grabbed them. This one I thought was pretty cool. Bubble sticks. Blue with those pyramid building things. Still got 2 more minutes. Get as many. Oh, this was up at Target up in Dixon City. Empoleon. The red one, I've only seen these 2 different places. In New York at the Big M, and then Target up at Dixon City. And I got 2 of those. 2021 Series 2, right? Series 2. And then the only other thing, I wanted to get one of these blisters, so I got a Chilling Reign. So how much did that cost? It wasn't much. Only $19.99. No, $12.99. So when a commentator runs his mouth and doesn't have a clue what he's talking about, is that Kaonian? Michael K. What a clueless moron. Tops. Hanger. Tops. Hanger. Tops. Series 1. Hanger. Tops. Series 2. Hanger. Tops. Series 2. Blaster box. And a top Series 2 hanger. All these were at Pittston. I got all those blasters from